Hi guys, this is Charlie and I am going to show you in this tutorial how you can change your 7-day follow-up funnel. Now this is a funnel that will let you follow up with people who have signed up for free, or they've just signed into the business, they haven't paid yet. So this is something you can send to people which will then sort of get them more interested and give them more information about the business, the success of the business, and then at the end hopefully they will sign up and start earning you money. So what I'll do is I have sent you an OMB link here. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to that page and it'll bring up the 7-day follow-up funnel, okay, or the 7-step follow-up funnel. So what you need to do then is go to save, and it should ask you then to save it under a name. Now this will be something that you need to recognize in your back office. So for example, you could name it as 7-day follow-up funnel. Okay, so once you've saved it, okay, you can close this down. And then it will be in your back office here. So there, 7-day follow-up copy 1. Now to get to here, you'll need to go to your main menu, Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, My Sites, and once you've saved it, it should appear here in your back office. Okay, so now we want to go through and edit this page. Okay, here we go. Right, so then what you can do here, obviously you need to change the picture to your picture. So you would right click, change image. Okay, and then you would upload an image from your from your desktop, from your files. So just upload the image and click on confirm. Okay, and that will upload your image. If you double click here, there we go, you should be able to delete my name and put in your own name. Okay, and if you go to this box here, you need to double click here, and then you can put in a little bit about you, your little bio. Okay, and your logo goes here. If you don't have a logo, you can just click it and press delete on your keyboard. Okay, if you want to change it, just right click, change image. Okay, if you want to change the background here, then you would need to go to this page here and go to 7-day free trial. Okay, settings. Oh, sorry, no, not settings. There we go, background, change background. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward, guys. Obviously, you can choose what color you'd like, and you can also save the color as well if you want to use it again. But with this funnel, it will apply to all the pages for you. So once you've changed your color, then you can, you know, it'll just carry on and be, what's the word? Oh, yeah, anyway, so yeah, I can't think of the word, sorry guys, but yeah, it'll just be the same on each page. Continuity, that's the word I was looking for. So yeah, you'll have some continuity throughout. Okay, so just click your colour and press OK. All right, so again, if I just go back here, your page is here as well. So the bridge page. Right then, so change your image, change your name and bio, delete my logo, put your logo in, and that's all you need to do on this page. Obviously delete that logo there as well. Okay, so you don't need to do anything else on the bridge page, and then always click save. Okay, right then, so what we need to do now is to go through to the, you can go through to the contact page as well. And if you right click here, you can go to configure and you edit your email that it gets sent to. Okay, so that's fairly straightforward. Click confirm. Next is the day one. Okay, so on your bridge page, you'll have a little button that says go to step one. So this is where they'll get, this is the page that they will be sent to. So again, not much to change on here other than your photo. Right click, change image. And obviously double click there for your name change. Okay, and your web link if you have one. Okay, now then, this is the important bit. They need to, if they do decide to upgrade, they need to activate a business plan. Okay, and it needs to have your affiliate link in there, because you don't want the money going to me, you want it going to you. So very important, guys. So you go back to your office, go down to Builderall Business, money making funnels, let me just put my phone on silent. Sorry guys, I should have done this already. Right, so now you go to category and checkout pages. You scroll down to the $49.90 and copy this link. You go back to your HTML editor, right click your button and then go to action. And if it comes up with a blue box with different actions, you want to go to web address. Okay, now you need to press Control and V, because you can't left click and paste, right click and paste. You need to press Control and V. I'm not quite sure what it is on a Mac, but that will paste your affiliate link in there. Okay, and then you want to open it up in a new tab. Press OK. And then again on your Facebook, you should have a Facebook page, business page, or your profile page, whichever. I mean, your business pages, you know, you need to set one up if you haven't got one. Really easy to do. And again, you just right click, action, go to a web address and put in your own Facebook web address there. Open in a new tab so people can stay on the funnel. Okay, so that's it, guys. You don't need to do anything else. Click save. Save. And carry on here to the next day. Okay, again, not much to do here. Delete the logo. You know, you should know it by now. Remove your picture, replace your picture, double click your name, and right click to activate your business plan. Okay, so you go to action and then Control and V to paste. If you might get this menu here, okay, so then you can choose web address. Okay, all right then, guys, that is basically it. What you need to do is just do this for each page, amending your photo and your affiliate links. Okay, so like I say, when people sign up for a free business, or they haven't, you know, they've signed up but they haven't paid, you can then send this to them, and you know, it'll go a fair way to try and get them to actually start paying for the business. So okay then, guys, I hope that helps. If you have any problems, then please get in touch with me, and yeah, I'll help you as much as I can. I don't mind doing a FaceTime with you if you get stuck. So okay, general rule of thumb, always click save. All right, and then in your back office, what you need to do then, go to your builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect My Sites, and then you need to publish your page to make it live online. Okay then, so once that's published, you then click the link. So if I just go to my live one here, so you click the link. This is my maiden name, by the way. This is what I used before I got married. So yeah, so this is the link that you will share to people, or you can copy it and put it in emails as well. So, but Liam has done a tutorial on your emails, so you can go into your back office, and well, I've got a little link here. Okay, so you know, just do some shortcuts on your toolbars at the top, so you can just access training straight away. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So yeah, this is going to be the link that you will share to people who you are doing the following up with. So okay, hope that makes sense. I hope that helps. Like I say, if you have any questions, then please get in touch. See you on another video.